Releasing dopamine, dopamine. Against the law force.
Here it comes.
What are your thoughts? Is it on a man a wash panty or draws them on a call it, big brother? What you think?
That's what them saying, several brothers, several different man, you know. But me, now go uphold with that, because me born in the garrison and me know what is what, understand me. Maybe at that time, all the chance for him have it, understand me. But we get the youth now go uphold with that. All heap more people now go uphold with that, understand me. But a whole heap more go uphold with it. You see me? But me, my belief is, them thing they not for, them thing they against the law charging. God kill me, she could have white, she could have pretty. No.
Alright, brother. So, what are your thoughts of a man washing a woman's panty, or well, as them say in a Jamaica, draws? You know what I mean? What you think?
Me think it's a red flag that it forget, you know. One big red flag, you know. Cause you know why?
Yeah.
A woman should wash her own jars.
Yeah.
No man not wash no man jars.
Yeah.
See, it's when a bed, you say if she not bed, she bathe in her jars and wring it out and dry it same time. You know what?
But suppose she's sick. Are your wife? Me no know.
If she's sick, we just buy her some fresh panties.
What are your thoughts on a man washing a female panty, underwear or drawers, whatever they want to call it? Or bingo?
You know, Zine. If you really talk it truth, from an honest perspective, there is nothing wrong in the situation, but I leave that for the more mature couples. The couples are married for like all 15, 20 years. For them people, them, I don't really see no issue. Zine, but me now, who just have if I just have a girlfriend, remember, I'm not sure nothing, I'm not really sure nothing about her, so I'm get up and jump and do. But for mature couples that are married 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, them alright, them can, as a man, like him, having wife for that long and my wife for that long, him should have a problem.
What are your thoughts on a male hand washing or washing a female underwear, drawers, bingo, panties, whatever you call it? What are your thoughts?
For somebody who knows a real, me do it for them. Somebody who knows kind to me and move the right way or them to move. Me do it for them.
So pretty much what you say, yo, if you're born if I wife that and if she's sick and thing like that, you not do it for them.
Yeah, I'm the help her out.
But that different, brother. Cause you know say some man I say, yo, that's against the law. For some man wash them thing, they come even ask some man say, yo, why if she sick and them thing, they is it. So they say you not do it and thing.
I'm the help her out, man.
What go on, Cabby?
Boy, I'm there.
Alright, here the question now, Cabby. What are your thoughts on a man washing a female panty, drawers, underwear, whatever they want to call it?
Alright, first thing, man love take off woman drawers. The real man them. So if you live with a woman, me can only relate to the living one. My woman sometimes sick, you know, woman monthly menstruation. Why she can't get up and do those things? Me believe me obligated to assist her along the way. If me take off the panty, me must can wash it too. Me must can buy it too. If she not able to go to the supermarket, go buy the stay free, the one with the wings or the one without the wings, me suppose I can assist her along the way. Especially my woman is a good woman. When me up, she dead, when me down, she dead. So no limits to doing favors for she. So that's right there.
So
and a real man do that. A real man do that.
So you say a real man think that?
A real man do that. It's not like every day you get up and do that. You understand? It's not like you go out the road and do them things there for a woman. But you live with a woman or your wife to be, you and her share the same room, the same house. There's no shame to that.
What go on, peeps? We're there with Thick Neck. What go on, my brother? Yeah. Blessings, you know. Alright, so Thick Neck, here the question we ask right now. The question is, what are your thoughts on a man washing a female panty, underwear, drawers, whatever them call it?
I don't see nothing wrong with it. If your woman dead and sick, wash it. Nothing wrong with it. Your one, don't you take it off when you have sex?
Yeah.
And it dirty then time there. So nothing wrong. Take it off. Wash it. Same way. Your woman sick, nothing wrong. That's my view.
Because some man say, yo, that's against the law, you know.
Against what kind of law? No law not dead there. And your woman, and when you have sex, you tear it off.
So I don't know if you wash it out when she's sick. You not get up and do it on a regular basis. Man must be man, and be real, man.
Yeah, I understand because some man a say, yo, them now go touch that, you have to put that, I put that in a washing machine and she for call her sister or her mother and them thing there. You think about that?
Her sister after she not call her sister when she skin out.
Yeah.
Or whoop up. She not call her sister. You she a call if you take off your panty.
Yeah.
Some man for grow up, man.
Wagwan, vlogger. So we there with Kemi Fresh and Beard, you see it. So Kemi Fresh and Beard, what are your thoughts on pretty much just washing a female for a man for wash a female panty, underwear, drawers, whatever they want to call it? Kemi Fresh.
Well, we say if a man want to do it on one time or if him supposed to do it a yard.
Why? As me say now, brother, what are your thoughts on this the whole matter? You know what I mean?
Alright, I show you. It's the difference still. Man not for wash woman jars, you know.
Yeah.
Washing for woman, you know.
Yeah.
You see me, but if a man and a woman live together and a shaver do them things a certain way and thing and one point come and she can't avail with to do it, the man can't do it on one time, you see me? Because relationship them there, you see me? So you don't know a thing go. But literally, would do it on one time. You see me? Because I don't know a thing go, you see me? A shaver do it and she can't be able to do it and it dirty. I want my woman proper hygiene up same way, you see me? So watch out now. Nothing wrong for wash it on one time. But she can't come to me again and make it seem like on a regular basis, you see me? Because that's a little things, man thing, you see me? And man a man, so that's why man just wash it on one time and know, so I say, you see me? Yeah man, nothing wrong with that man. You see me, one time man a good man.
Yeah man, big up yourself, Kemi Fresh. Yo, Beard, Wagwan, what you think? What you think about the matter?
But the matter is a touchy subject still in general, big man thing, you know.
Yeah.
Well, big man thing, I don't feel like I'm gonna do it still.
Yeah, why? What make do?
Well, I don't feel like I'm gonna do it. Is that something I really think about yet still?
Yeah.
But I don't feel like I'm gonna do it. I don't feel like that's something I'm gonna do.
Big
man thing. You see me?
Oh, so wait, so you wanna like put it in a washing just put it in a washing machine or get a helper or something or so?
Yeah, they're different something that me pin it out. Yeah. But me, you know, things like say me I go sit down over a pan with a woman underwear and wash. A joke thing that me not do that.
Oh, yeah.
No, that one they out of my league.
Wagwan people, so we're there with the man called Maka. Wagwan Maka.
Well, I'm here and I'm fine.
Alright, so Maka, you're the question I want to ask you. What are your take? What you think about a man washing a female panty, underwear or drawers? What you think about that?
Well, nothing is wrong with that, and it all depends on the relationship. If the relationship is, mutual or just a social or an intimate relationship or a marriage, you have to go to the extreme for your wife or whosoever you're involved, intimate with.
But Maka, some man say that's against the law.
No, that's for them law, but you have washing machine, you have modern time now where you can do things, and you have good soap and bleach and things like that, can use. And you have hot water.
So pretty much you say you not just put in a washing machine and make the machine do it?
Yeah, yes sir.
Wagwan peeps, yeah man, your boy sign us there again. I was there with the man called Gramps. Yo, Gramps, Wagwan.
Yeah, I'm not going to take it easy.
Alright, big brother. So pretty much the question is, what are your thoughts on a man washing a female panty, underwear, drawers, bingo, whatever them call it?
Well, for me, nothing is wrong with it because pretty much if you can't take it off, obviously you must can wash it. Whereas if she's sick, where you would call her mother, sister, brother, come, or cousin to wash it. Oh, you're there.
Yeah, it's funny you said that in a Grams call some man say yo it's against the law and them a say them wanna call the auntie and the sister make them come wash it.
There's no law that can back that. And if somebody can show me biblical or otherwise, then them can have a conversation. But there's no law that governs that. If your woman is your woman that wash, clean, cook for you and then open her legs at the end of the day, why is it that I can't wash her underwear? Miss Garner? No. I would understand at a certain time of the month, those set of underwear she would have to wash them. But on any other circumstance, I don't have a problem with it.
No way.
Youngster.
Releasing dopamine.